The Thermaltake TH280 V2 ARGB cooler delivers strong thermal performance with its slim aluminum radiator and thick copper cold plate, making it well-suited for modern multi-core processors under sustained load. Its pair of 140mm fans use pulse-width modulation control to balance low noise with high airflow, so the cooler stays quiet during light tasks, yet ramps up smoothly for gaming or rendering. The infinity mirror cap and addressable lighting on both the pump and fans give a clean, layered glow that looks especially sharp in white-themed builds. Motherboard's synchronized lighting support means it integrates neatly with popular RGB ecosystems, so you can control colors and effects from a single software suite instead of juggling separate controllers. Long, flexible rubber tubing and broad support for current Intel and AMD sockets make installation straightforward in most medium or larger cases, with enough reach for typical front or top mounting positions. A 2-year warranty from a well-known cooling brand adds peace of mind, which is reassuring for a component that will be running quietly in the background all day.